Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution you need. Guys, remember, stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully you get through that resolution. So let's continue on. And that's it, guys. I hope the videos helped find that resolution that you're looking for. And if it did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now, until the next time you need a technical video, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.